Wow. Why don't you turn to your neighbour, give him a high five. Just say, lighten up, buddy, lighten up, buddy.
I'm going to let you in on a little secret about Samuel Leeds that not a lot of people know. He's actually a bit of a prankster. He loves playing practical jokes on people. So I'll give you a couple of examples. So a couple of years ago, I had 9 points on my driving licence, and Samuel knew this, so he sent me a letter as if I'd got a speeding ticket from the police, and he left me thinking that I was banned from driving for about 4 hours before he finally told me that it was just a prank. He likes to ring the office and put on funny accents. He wound me up the other day about we'd lost a load of money on card machines. He winds me up, he just pranks on me and the staff all the time. So we thought it was finally our chance, our opportunity to get him back. So let me explain to you the plan. Samuel's arriving at the crash course tonight at about 8 p.m. and going on stage. They'll have been there all day with our other trainers, and he's running the evening session. Now here's the prank. I'm going to go on stage before Samuel. I'm going to get the audience in on it. It would be a great chance here at the crash course. I wondered if you guys wanted to help me in playing a prank on Samuel. Would you guys like to help me do that? Now, Samuel's here today. He's coming out on. He's actually outside at the moment, okay? So he's coming in a minute. He's going to come out on stage, and Arnon's going to give him a really big build-up, and he's going to come out, and he knows you guys are going to go crazy. And now, if you've ever seen Samuel, he's quite an energetic presenter. He likes to get feedback from the audience, so he'll probably ask you a question. He'll probably say something like, how many of you are here because you want to be financially free? That's it. Perfect. Okay? So finally, the prankster's going to be got back. So are you ready, Arnon, to introduce him? I'm going to go, Amelia's in on it. Amelia works with Samuel, so I'm going to go and get her to get him inside. Okay, are you ready? Or I'll go and get Samuel. Thanks, guys.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, there is a gentleman that I want to invite on stage. He needs absolutely no introduction whatsoever. He's an incredible successful businessman. He is a phenomenal property investor.
He's great.
He bought his first property when he was 17. He became financially free in his young early 20s. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome on stage the one and only Mr. Samuel Leeds.
Good evening. How's the day been, folks? Wow. Are we good? Have you guys found deals today? Arnon, what have you been doing with these folks, man? Okay. Geez, serious, this is weird. This has never, ever happened before. I don't even know what to say. Has anyone come from outside of England to be here? Okay. So, wow. Why don't you turn to your neighbour, give him a high five. Just say, lighten up, buddy, lighten up, buddy. Am I being pranked? Okay, I'm going to own it. You are being pranked. I should have been here this morning. Arnon screwed, someone screwed up. You got me. Has it been a good day? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Literally that right then I was thinking, I'm quitting training. I'm not training. Like today I've spent the whole day viewing houses. I've been in Liverpool viewing, and I was just like, I'm going to get straight back to Liverpool, man. Forget this. I'm over. Oh man. All right. So I feel so much better now. That was horrible. How did you orchestrate this? Did you have even... Hold on, sorry. Did you have Amelia even in on this? Where's Amelia? Where's she at?
Yeah, Amelia knew.
Oh my goodness. I wondered why they were like, let's take you outside. She was getting me doing squats and stuff. I was like, why are we doing this? Oh my goodness. All right, so the stuff that you